Did you know that most of the scalp creams in the market actually clogs your pores and slow down your growth? That's why on today's video, I'm going to be showing you a simple way to make your own scalp cream at home using Vaseline and a secret ingredient you've probably never used on your hair before. Trust me, after trying this, you might never ever go back to buying hair cream from store again. I think for now, I'll name this DIY Try and See. So our first ingredient is black seed. Black seed offers several benefits for scalp health due to its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. It can help sort scalp irritation, reduce dandruff, and promote a healthy scalp environment. It also combats dryness. It also stimulates hair growth. This seed you're seeing right here can protect the scalp from damage. It nourishes the scalp, it promotes healthy hair growth, and improves hair texture. So you don't want to skip these ingredients in this hair DIY because it's so important. It's not expensive and is readily available. So our next ingredient here is rosemary. Rosemary improves blood circulation in the scalp, which helps to enhance hair follicles health and potentially lead to hair growth. Rosemary has anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties. It helps stimulate hair growth, nourish the scalp, and combat issues like dandruff, hair loss, and the rest. So the next ingredient is star anise. It contains essential oils and nutrients that can help stimulate hair follicles and promote hair growth. It also combats dandruff and other scalp infections. So that takes us to our next ingredient, which is cloves. Cloves can help to sort and calm an inflamed scalp, potentially reducing itchiness and discomfort that are associated with conditions like dandruff. Cloves is really beneficial for our scalp health and hair growth. So here are all the ingredients I'll be working with. I'll go right ahead and put everything into my blender because I'm going to be blending all these ingredients to powder. We are working with them in powdery form, so I'll just go ahead and blend. I can't believe that I almost forgot this particular ingredient, and due to its importance in this recipe, I had to go back to it. So lemongrass helps to regulate oil production on the scalp, and it can also help in improving circulation, which can further contribute to hair health. It also combats dandruff and promotes a healthy scalp. It also helps to strengthen hair follicles, potentially reducing hair fall and encouraging growth. So I already blended my other ingredients. I just went ahead and added lemongrass back to it and reblended it, and here is what we have, all the ingredients in powdery form. That takes us to our next step. This is Vaseline. Yeah, I'll be using Vaseline for the base of this recipe. So Vaseline serves as moisturizer, and it also helps in protecting the scalp. It can help relieve dryness and flakiness. Applying Vaseline on the scalp helps to trap moisture and relieve dryness. You have to make sure the Vaseline you're buying is this particular one with blue seal. Vaseline is very good when it comes to skin and even on our hair. As you can see, this is the one we are already using at home, so I'm sure almost every household have Vaseline at home because it's quite affordable. So I'll just go ahead and scoop some of this Vaseline into a stainless plate. You can scoop any amount you want based on the quantity of this hair cream that you'll be making. So here I'm just going to scoop like 2 spoons. So just in case you're coming across my channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe to this family, and for my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you guys for always coming by. In case you've watched up to this point and you've not given this video a thumbs up, please do well to give this video a thumbs up and also leave a comment. Also, please watch this video till the end because there are some important tips concerning this DIY that I'll be sharing probably at the end of this video, so you don't want to miss that. Please do well to watch all through till the end so that you don't miss out on those tips. And this is our next base. The base will be combining with the Vaseline, and this is original shea butter. So shea butter are known for their numerous benefits for scalp. Due to its moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties, it helps soothe dry, itchy and irritated scalp. It reduces inflammation, it promotes good environment for hair growth. Also, shea butter can help strengthen hair follicles, reduce breakage and add shine and softness to your hair. And also for this, there is no particular measurement. You can use as more or less as you want, depending on the size of your Vaseline or the quantity you're going for. So onto the next, I'll just go ahead and pour in our blended herbs into this mixture. And after that, we'll be using the double boiler method to bring this to liquid form. Yes, to melt these butters together with the blended herbs. As you can see from the video, the oil is already boiling and you can see some bubbles around the corner of the bowl. I boiled for like 15 minutes to 20 minutes, then I brought it down and strained it right away. As you're bringing it down from heat, you want to go ahead and strain it immediately with a cheesecloth because Vaseline can easily get solid, so you want to strain this right away. So I poured this into my cheesecloth and I went ahead to sieve it, to sieve the oil out. Please be careful while doing this. It's oil and it's hot. You don't want it to burn your hands. Just do it gently. After sieving it, this is what we have. So I'm going to be putting this into the refrigerator. You can decide to keep it for it to solidify naturally if you're not in a haze, but I needed to round up this video, so I went ahead to put it into a refrigerator. So this is what our cream looked like after it solidified. I'll just go ahead and use my spoon to mix this together, like kind of whipping it together so it will give us a more finer texture. This cream at this point smells so nice because the lemongrass has a very decent smell, a very decent scent rather. So the cream scents so nice. I'll just go ahead and whisk this together using my spoon in order to get a very more finer and more consistent texture. After whipping, this is the result I got. This is so beautiful. Like each time I make this hair cream, I always have this joy in my heart. I so much love this hair cream and I'm sure you're going to love it. So I'll be showing you how you can use this for more effective results, how many times you can use it and all that. So for the storage of this hair cream, you need to store it in a cool, dry place. If your home is very hot, you have to store it in the fridge so it doesn't melt. So since this DIY doesn't contain water, so it can last you 1 to 2 months or even 3 months. This scalp cream is good for all hair types. You can use it even when you're on braids, when you're on twists, when you're on cornrows. It will help keep your scalp moisturized and nourished. So to apply this DIY scalp cream, of course you know now, you first go in with your water. Yes, let your hair be damp, not wet. Just spray in some water on your hair and your scalp. After the water, then you go in with your hair cream. A little of this goes a long way. Too much cream on your scalp also can clog your pores, okay? So just apply little, then you massage it around your scalp. Massage it very, very well on your scalp. You can use this cream 2 to 3 times in a week. Please always make sure to massage your hair. This boosts blood circulation. Always make sure you massage your scalp. Yes, always massage your scalp very, very well whenever you apply products on your scalp so that it can penetrate well and also blood can flow all around your scalp. So like I said earlier, you can use this scalp treatment 2 to 3 times in a week. So after applying it all over my scalp, I'll go in with my leave-in conditioner, my DIY leave-in conditioner. I dropped a video on how I made this on my channel, so if you're yet to see it, please try and check it out. So I'll just remind you of something very important. Hair growth is a journey, not a race. Sometimes we see all these trending products online and feel like if our hair isn't growing overnight, something is wrong. But the truth is that real growth comes from consistency, patience, and giving your scalp the love it deserves. That's why recipe like this DIY scalp cream are so powerful. You know exactly what is going into it. You control the ingredients and you're feeding your scalp with natural goodness. So please don't give up on your hair. Whether your goal is longer, thicker, or healthier strands, trust the process and stay consistent. In a few months, you will thank yourself for starting today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, because I share even more DIY recipe and hair care secrets every single week. Let's grow our hair together the natural way. See you guys on my next video. Till then, bye.